How do you use the Esteem Lingerie Academy? If you are a lingerie store owner or somebody who's coming to the industry and interested in learning bra fitting in order to open a lingerie store, this is the place and the investment you want to make, because we are going to take you through all aspects of fitting. Tier 1 is the introduction to fitting all underwire bras, all the nuances. This is our largest section of the course, but it gives you a strong foundation in how to fit any bra on any woman. Tier 2 is all about the fitting master classes, the specialty fits that are dominant in the lingerie and bra fitting industry, as well as sections on how to sell to clients in a service environment. Tier 3, we go into specialty fits even further, specifically post-surgical and post-mastectomy fitting and considerations. And finally, of course, Tier 4 is our business section. This is designed, we kind of call it the back office of running a lingerie boutique. Now, as a lingerie store owner myself, I know one of the biggest challenges was educating myself, because funny enough, even though my mother's a custom bra maker, the first day we opened the store and we got our first lady in and she said, "I'd like a bra fitting," I looked at her and I said, "Absolutely." And I ran to the back to get my mom because she had forgotten to teach me how to fit. So I myself had to start a journey. And I have dove in to understand bra fitting at the level that my mother already understood as a custom bra maker. However, when it came to scaling up our business, we couldn't work 24/7. We needed to have staff that could fit as well as we could without having to spend the years of developing that knowledge. So we developed our own in-house program, and at the time we were also paying for an outside consultant to certify our ladies. We have replicated this process and expanded it with the Esteem Bra Fitting Academy. Our goal is that any new employee will receive 80 to 90% of the bra fitting information that they need to be successful very quickly in your shop. You will be able to trust that they will have a level of knowledge that they won't be inadvertently causing bad fits to go out the door and potentially ruining the reputation of your hard-worked business. Our certification program can only be achieved if they do the work, if they watch the videos, if they do the tests, if they understand the depth of knowledge required. And so when we hand them that certification certificate, you know that they have achieved something and they understand a lot. Now, we're not here to tell you how to run your business. We're not here to train your staff on your policies and procedures. That's still up to you. However, this will be the foundational knowledge that you will be able to develop your employees. And hey, in retail, we know that the tenure of employees is typically not as long as in other industries. So in approximately 3 months, you could have somebody trained up from being a novice, know-nothing fitter to an experienced fitter with a minimal financial investment. This is what the Academy is all about. We want to take that job of training out of your day, out of your headache field, so that you can focus on growing your business and scaling up and expanding our bra fitting world.